Ready?
Yes, judges are ready.
Very well. I would ask contestant number 1, Brian Robinson, to come forward. Brian Robinson, how to meet women on the subway. How to meet women on the subway, Brian Robinson.
Thank you, Mr. Contest Chair, fellow Toastmasters, and welcome guests. I have a secret that I'm going to share with you. When I first moved to New York City about 14 years ago, I was incredibly shy and I had no idea how to get a date. Then I discovered a secret place, 465 stations, 600 miles of track, and 1,000,000 possibilities. No need for dating websites, no bars. All you need is a Metro card. Unlimited. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm about to share with you can change your life. My secret to dates is how to meet women on the subway. Now, over the last 14 years, I've done intense research. I have been down underground, and I have come up with some steps, NTA approved. Those steps are the approach, contact, and the close. You might want to write this stuff down. First off, the approach. When you are on the subway platform and you identify your target, you need to walk near her. Don't get too close, but just a few feet away. Stand close and you pretend you have not noticed her. What I generally do is I pull out my notepad, I write down all the things I'm working on. I'm so important, I'm in a hurry, I'm looking for the train, and often I will pull out my sunglasses, put these on. I can see her, but she can't see me. When the subway is approaching and it's coming up to your stop, you need to be on your best game, just like the Marine ready to enter the battlefield. The doors will open, you need to move fast. Look at the environment and the seats and people around you. When your target begins to take a seat, you need to move very fast, but look cool. Generally what I do is walk up right next to her and I sit down right next. I'm looking straight ahead. I haven't looked at my target. That's the approach. Next I will share with you contact. Take note. When you're sitting next to your target, what I generally do is I look straight ahead and I have something good to read. I usually like to read my Bible. Then, after about 10 seconds, you begin to look lost. You look around to your left and to your right. Then, contact. Excuse me, is this the C train or the B train? You see, what you're doing is she has to engage. And you're also expressing a characteristic women find irresistible: vulnerability. Oh, it's the C train. Oh, thank God, I gotta take my mom to the hospital. You sit there for a few minutes longer, and then you look ahead, you turn around, and you say, excuse me, but do I detect an accent? You see, based upon my research in New York City, 93% of all women are from someplace else. Oh, I'm from Zimbabwe. I love Zimbabwe. I've been planning on going. Then you begin to ask questions. How long have you been in New York City? How was the adjustment? Have you met very nice guys in the subway before? And you keep talking. After you establish some rapport, the next step is to close. After you've been talking for a few minutes, what I generally say is you know what, I've always wanted to go to Zimbabwe. Do you have email? Who doesn't have email? You have your pen, you have your paper ready to go, and just like a pen in your holster, pow! You pull it down there and you get it right there in front of her. Then you write down the email, and this is for the pros. Just go ahead and put down your phone number also. Once you have that information, you need to exit fast. You might run out of things to talk about. It doesn't matter if you're in the Bronx or Brooklyn going to Wall Street. Get off while you can. Now let me share something with you. I've only been pepper sprayed twice, tasered once, and a few restraining orders. But this stuff works. And if you want to get really good, just what T.J. Walker says, you can bring a video camera and film yourself. You go to YouTube, it works. There is the approach, contact, and the close. If you can do these three, ladies and gentlemen, it can change your life. You too. And you can also use this to meet men also. You can meet women on the subway. Mr. Contest Chair.